Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I will show you how to configure Trueview all-time color Wi-Fi camera. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, open camera box. This is camera adapter. This is user manual for camera configuration, mobile or tab. Okay. This is our dome camera with audio, two-way audio. Okay. Now I am going to show you how to insert memory in this camera. Okay, this is SD card cover. Open this cover. This is CP plus 64 GB SD card. Insert SD card into SD card slot. After this, close this cover. Okay, now open application. In this application, email address option and mobile cell phone option. Tap on login, OTP login. For cell phone number registration, tap on cell phone number registration. Type here number, tap on register, slide this file to basket. Okay, I'm fill up all password and then confirm. Set successful. Tap on open, tap on allow, tap on open, tap on allow location, tap on allow. No, tap on add. Type here Wi-Fi password for camera configuration. After this, tap on next, tap on confirm. The device, please wait. Okay, give name here camera name. I'm give here name office. Tap on next. Okay, tap on save configuration. Now you see camera is configured successful. You see video is, tap on finish. Okay, now check playback, tap on playback, tap on SD. You see recording is also working. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.